Hi, my name is Francisco and was born in Portugal, very far from here, and very happy I came to this island and to this place, as it was something that I was looking for in my life in many different aspects. This course has been very intense, so if one day you take it, be prepared to be open to transformation and to find inner strength, confidence, openness, and connection. For me, it was about, I've been meditating for a long time, but I lacked connection with my physical body. So for me, this course helped me to align the body and the mind and the spirit. So it brought me a lot of strength and stability, and at the same time fluidity. So I feel more grounded, but at the same time I can flow better, because when you are in an asana and you have this feeling, I cannot stay here anymore, but you do it. Every second you become a little bit stronger to face any challenges that might come up for you. So I would say this has been the greatest benefit, and I'm happy that this course is not about fitness, it's about the roots of yoga, which means union with everything. And I'm very happy with the depth of the teaching from all of the teachers, which their own unique ways to teach and how they put it all together as a beautiful journey. Yeah. And I cannot recommend it more. In the beginning I was a bit hesitant. Should I do it? I don't know the people, I don't know about the teachers, should I invest myself in this? And it for sure exceeded my expectations, and everyone was very knowledgeable. I've learned a lot. So, thank you so much.